Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the video autoplay feature inside of the Facebook mobile app. By disabling autoplay, you won't be caught off guard by videos, and more importantly the audio for the video, blasting as you scroll by. Also, even though it's a tiny bit, if you're on a data plan, this does eat away at your usage over time. To turn the autoplay feature off, open the Facebook app and tap the Facebook icon on the bottom center. In this menu, scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. In here, scroll all the way down to the Media and Contacts section. Next, tap on Videos and Photos. You'll then see the autoplay feature settings and the 4 options that you have to choose from. First, you can allow autoplay anytime whether you're on Wi-Fi or data. After that, you can turn off data usage by choosing Wi-Fi only. At the bottom, you can choose if you want audio to start as soon as the video starts playing. This fixes the being caught off guard by blasting audio issue. And finally, you have the option to never autoplay videos. Choose that option and you're good to go. You can then head back to the home page and continue using Facebook. And that's how you turn off the video autoplay feature inside of the Facebook mobile app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.